The jig is this. I'm trading a solar panel, I'm trading a diesel heater, I'm trading some accessories, some electric cables, and I traded for a scooter, a Kymco. So I go get it. Let's continue from the previous episode, replacing the weights that was really worn. Let's try some new sliders. A recap from previous episodes. So I traded some solar panels and a diesel heater and some accessories for this scooter. I've been trying to fix it. You can see the previous episodes. Here I got it running, and it's running pretty good. I'm using the old carburetor that was included in the buy, and it seems to be good, but I'm low on fuel, so I'm gonna try to refuel it, and we'll see how it turns out. So you can see the fuel meter is in the bottom, so I'm a bit worried that I won't get to the gas station. And here it dies on me.
And what's happened now? Died?
So I'm having a hard time starting it. Don't know what the problem is. Eventually I got it running again.
It's out of fuel, I believe.
It's low on fuel, yeah. It didn't turn out well. I had to walk to the gas station and fill it up. So I filled it up with 98 octane here. Got 3 liters for
of
it.
98. 3 liters there.
Of course I pushed in some 2-stroke oil in it. And we got it running again. Seems to be running pretty good here. So, but it still dies, so I have to try to adjust the carburetor. This is the idle screw, and this is the air fuel screw. But it's in the bottom, so I unscrew it. Should be about 1.5 turns, if it's normal. So I'll try that and try to adjust it. I bought this one. It's 89 millimeters across and 20 millimeters boss. Should fit both GY 650cc and the Kymco ZX Fever. So I think this is 8 grams. The engine doesn't run well, it's unpredictable, but anyway I decided to replace the variator here and try out the Koso variant with 8 grams of weight, and later on I will see if it improves anything. While I'm at it, I'm gonna fix this was broken, so I did some epoxy with polyester or fiberglass, and yeah, hopefully it will work. I've reinforced this one with a piece of fiberglass too, and while I'm at it, I'm also replacing the bulbs in the rear light. One was broken, so replace that one also. Is 3 watt. These are the numbers if you're interested. And this is off, and it started leaking from the carburetor. Let's see if it starts now. helmet. Still the same. The scooter runs very unevenly. The mid-range doesn't work. Doesn't seem to be working, but suddenly it gets gas and it pulls away. So something's wrong with the fuel or carburetor or something. I'll have to take a look at that. I think I've eliminated the fuel problem, so either it's something wrong with it, you know. It's high RPM for some reason. Maybe, I don't know. I think it's the block that is leaking. The cracked block. And I don't want to put too much time on this one. Maybe call it a day. What I thought was crap or something, it turns out I think this has been in a fire before. It's cracked up here. I think it's been on a fire. Now the original airbox is in place. We'll see if it runs better, less air. Still has the exhaust here. Still the same symptom. It runs a little better, especially when it's hot. There's some cylinder on this one. That's why it's running lean. Too much. It's much better now when it's hot. the engine. The engine sounds good. Sounds pure and simple, and bearing sounds good. Doesn't vibrate very much either. A little bit, but not much. Seen worse. Worse. Sorry.
Runs good now. I believe it's a bit lean. Go up in size a bit. See what happens. Here's the new exhaust installed. It's getting hot. If the carburetor starts leaking. Not yet. Yeah, I think I go up in size just in main jet, and then it might be okay. How do you like the Red Bully? I don't know. Just trying them out. I'm gonna replace the main jet here. I think the original one is 82. We'll see if it has any mark. Otherwise I have an 84 or 86 here, Gürtner type. It's M6. Quite a high pitch. I've already emptied the bowl, so there shouldn't be so much fuel here. Usually don't have a number, and it's Originl. I think the lower one is the 86. It's a tad bigger hole. This one has the 86 number on it. Put it back together. I'm gonna clean the bowl and then put it back. The 86 main jet is in. And while I'm at it and have access, why not check out remove the shroud and check out the compression and see what, maybe look at if it's original piston, 39mm, or if it's bigger. I think something is done with the cylinder. Maybe not replaced it, but they have a file on it or something. Yeah, but now I'm removing the spark plug. It isn't new, but it's dry, so it's lean to me. Even though it should be white and so on, but it was dirty before. So, what do you guys think? Let's do a compression test. It's upside down for you. I have no carburetor, so it's open throttle. That's not too great. That's about what we get, 100 psi. That's okay, at least it starts, but it's not good. Here you have it. I've broken a piece here before. Have to use the small one. I've already loosened it. I had a hard time getting access to the screws there or bolts, so I removed the fender here. This black one here. And it's just attached here and into that one there. So it was easy to remove. And I also found this seems to be a puncture they've done. Something like that. Yeah, but I'm gonna remove the head. Looks like a small piston. This is pretty dirty. I'll inspect that more thoroughly. It's original 49, 39. See here, 39. Oops. We don't want to replace that. Now it jumped up. Did we crack that gasket now? When you remove the fender, it's quite a good place to work. This is a good construction. I put back the shroud here and I'm putting back this side too now. The carburetor is back and yeah, it looks way better without the fender, but in Sweden we have to have a reflex here in the back. Illegal, that's the first thing that the cops checks. Putting some linseed oil on it. It's not dry yet, but I'm gonna put the next one on. Now the bitumen is applied. See here. If I missed a spot or maybe. This is what I'm using. Here's the exhaust. Driven some now. Still looks good. It's cracked. It's gonna lose. It's gonna give up. Got some cracks here. They tried to put some pieces here. Maybe done it from the back. Got some paint here for some reason.
looks a bit funny here. Don't know what that is. Got some bad fittings here. This is me. This is how I put this one with some stripes. Clean this one, was another color that painted over before. No more fuel problems, finally. So what I did was I put one step in the carburetor needle, so it gets a little bit more fuel in the middle register, and then we put the 86 main jet instead of 82, I think it was. So now it runs good, and I think that will be it in this series. Let's see what we come up with next. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. I don't have very much views, so we'll see how long I will keep this up.
in the face. I don't wanna have to